What's going on, guys? Vinnie here, back with another video. We're going to do a analysis for the upcoming week of August 20th through August 25th. And the first thing we want to do always, guys, is take a look at the news for the week to see what pairs we should look forward to in trading this week. So Monday, we don't have any real news to worry about. Going into Tuesday, we do have some news, some USD news at 10 a.m. and some more news around the afternoon time. Going into Wednesdays, where we really start to have some high impact news for the euro. Okay. Uh, Early morning, and then we have some for GBP at 4:30, and then going into the New York session, we do have some USD news on Wednesday. Okay, so look for Wednesday to be a pretty big day, some high volatility, some movement in the market. Then going into Thursday, we have some again some unemployment claims, and then some more USD news. I definitely want to look forward to that on Thursday, and then going into Friday, we have some high impact news for the euro again, and also for USD. And later on that afternoon, we have some USD and euro news. So this week should be big for USD based pairs, and also for euro and GBP based pairs. Okay. So let's take a look at the chart. And what I want to do, guys, is do something a little different here. So this upcoming week, we're going to only trade the pairs from the scanner. Okay, so we're on a daily time frame right now. And for those of you who are new, who have never seen this before, my name is Vinnie, and I create tools that help traders become consistently profitable, right? So what you're looking at here is what I call a high probability scanner, setup scanner. So what this scanner does is it scans the market for high probability setups, meaning um, when we get a signal like we have now on a daily time frame, we can look for a reversal that's going to happen in the market. So we have reversals happening for AUD USD, GBP AUD, GBP NZD, USD CAD, and gold. Okay. So we have 3 sells and 2 buys. Okay. So these can be nice little swing trades that we can take if we're taking these off the daily time frame. Okay. So let's take a look at AUD USD. We're on a daily time frame, and we can see on the daily time frame, current price action is bearish. Okay. We just had a break of structure here and also here with our break of structure. And we know after a major break of structure, guys, there's always a pullback. Okay. Now, where can we expect price to pull back to? Well, if we turn on the cheat code indicator, this is an indicator that I created to help tell you when to buy and when to sell. Okay. It's very, very accurate in telling you when to buy and when to sell. Now, we have a set of rules that we follow with our GSA strategy to help us get into the market. Now, nothing's 100%. And so this is going to just assist you in giving you confirmation on knowing when to buy, knowing when to sell. Okay. So we can see that price just created a new low. So after price has created a new low, we can expect a pullback. Well, this indicator automatically draws up your support and resistance areas, or in higher time frame, supply and demand zones, right? So we can see that we have a resistance up here, and we can expect price to head up towards this resistance area here. Okay, so that will be our ultimate target on AUD USD. Now, this level decides to break and continue higher, then we can expect a pullback and something like this for price to go higher. Now, if that doesn't happen and it hits resistance, we can expect USD, AUD, USD to go lower. Okay. So that's what we can expect this week on AUD, USD. All right. For a buy. And this can be nice little swing trades. So this pair could give you possibly, let's see, you have a potential to make over 200 pips with AUD USD. Okay. Let's move on to our next pair. It's going to be GBP AUD. GBP AUD, wow, really took off last week. It got caught up in this trade, and it went to the moon. Okay. Now, we are still bullish, but again, the cheat code is telling us to sell and also the scanner is also telling us to sell. Okay. So we have a cheat code sell signal. We also have divergence. Now, this indicator gives you three types of buy and sell signals. Right now, you're only going to see two on my chart. So the only one that we're concerned about are the ones that go outside the band. Okay. When price goes outside of the band, the upper band or lower band is going to give you a cheat code buy or sell signal. Those are the only trades that we want to take because they have the highest probability of the trade going in your direction or reversing. Okay. So we have divergence with letting us know that price is going to reverse. Okay. This is early warning to let us know price is going to reverse. All right. So on GBP AUD daily time frame, we can see that we can expect to sell GBP AUD. Now, what will be our target? Ultimate target would be here at this support here. Okay. Now, two scenarios can happen. First scenario, price can come down to the support, head back and go trade even higher. Okay. Because we are bullish. Or price could continue lower and go off into this next support here. Okay. And then push up to go higher. Right. But our first target is going to be here at this first support off the daily time frame. Okay. That's where we're going to target this week. GBP NZD. Let's take a look. GBP NZD, same exact scenario as GBP AUD. Very, very bullish price action. We can see we have a cheat code sell signal and also divergence. And also the scanner is telling us this is a high probability that price is going to reverse. Okay, it's going to sell. All right. So if it's going to sell, we can see that from the indicator that our first target is going to be here at this support here. Okay. Once it gets down to the support, we'll take profit and then we'll see how price reacts. If it's going to continue higher or are we going to continue lower? Okay. Until our next support here, we will see. Okay. But our ultimate target is going to be here at that first support area for GBP NZD. Our next pair is going to be USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD. Let's go ahead and turn off the indicator real quick. And we can see that price is bullish. Okay, we just had a W formation form. Okay, W formation is a pattern that happens in the market, lets you know that price is bullish. We just had a break of structure here. After a break of structure, there's always a pullback. Okay, to test that break of structure. So our first target will be here back down at this structure here. And we can look for USD CAD to trade higher. But in the meantime, we can expect, let's see how many pips from here. We can get about over 178 pips, 180 pips on USD CAD. Okay. USD CAD. So we can look, take a sale on USD CADs. All right. We're almost outside of the band, so price may push up a little bit more. But again, we know as cheat code members will wait for the 4-hour signal, 1 hour breaking retest. Right. Let's make sure that we have a 4-hour signal, which we don't yet. So it gives me indication that price could push up a little bit more before we actually get that 4-hour signal. Okay. So we'll simply wait until we actually get that 4-hour signal on USD CAD. Let's go back to the daily time frame. Okay. But that's going to be our target here. Okay. Let's take a look at gold. Gold, we have a scenario on the daily time frame. Price is not outside of the band here on the daily time frame yet. But we have a high probability setup happening on gold. Let's go down to a lower time frame. Let's see if we have one on the 4-hour. 4-hour price is not outside of the band quite yet. Okay. All right. So we'll wait till that happens. Once that happens on gold, we'll look to take a trade for a buy on gold. Okay. Now the scanner also gives you signal on every single time frame. This works on every single time frame. So right now you can see that we have signals for Swiss yen and also Euro yen. Okay, for a buy. Okay, let's take a look at these real quick just to show you. Okay, so Wow, this is lining up perfectly. Okay. So this is a trend. This will be considered still a trend trade. Reason why it's still considered a trend trade. Let's go to a higher time frame. If we look at it at on the daily time frame, we are still above the 47 moving average. 47 moving average is this blue line here. Okay. When price is above, we're always looking for opportunities to buy. All right. We are still above that on, well, we're not. We just broke below on a 4 hour time frame. Okay. But again, according to market structure, I would need to see one of these lows, this low broken here before I would consider this a bearish market. Okay. So price is not quite bearish for me yet. So we have divergence. We have a CC buy. Price is going to make it down here to this demand area, daily demand, and then we can look to trade Euro CHF higher. Okay. On the off the 4 hour time frame. Let's take a look at Chef JPY. Chef JPY, same exact scenario. We have a CC buy and also divergence. Price may drop down a little bit more before we actually get a reversal for price to trade higher on CHF JPY. Okay. So that's what we're looking for on CHF JPY and Euro JPY. Okay. Let's see if we have any signals on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, we don't have any signals on 1 hour time frame quite yet, but those are the trades that I'll be looking to take this week. Okay, just to show you guys uh how the scanner works and why it's works extremely well. Okay, in our market conditions. All right, so that's what I want you guys to do. So many of you do have the scanner already. That's how you use it. Okay, as cheat code members. We follow our rules. Whenever we get a signal, whether it's on the scanner or we have a higher time frame signal, we always want to wait for the 1 hour break and retest or the break of the HMA. Okay. So for those of you who are new, um, we have two types of moving averages that we use. We have HMA, which we use for entries. Okay. And then we also have our 47 moving average, which we use for short-term direction. Okay. Short-term direction. So whenever, for instance, when this turns red, this is giving us an indication that price is bearish. Okay. Whenever price is above the 47 moving average, it will turn blue, giving you an indication that price is bullish. All right. Very, very simple, very easy to understand. Okay. And that's how we use this cheat code system. All right. We only trade extremes in the market. So when price goes outside of the band, either above or below, we look to take a trade because that's going to give us the highest probability of the trade going in our direction. Okay. So those are the trades that we can look for this week. You don't have to trade every single pair. You can pick one or two of these pairs and trade these pairs. Okay. This is going to give us the highest probability of the trade going in our direction. So these are off the daily time frame. These are going to be nice little swing trades. So again, you want to lower your risk when you take a position. And by lowering your risk, you can stack positions as price goes in your direction. Okay. But that's going to end our analysis for this week. If you guys want access to the cheat code or the scanner, go to vinniestradingcheatcode.com. That's vinniestradingcheatcode.com. The link will be in the description below. Okay. You will go there, create your account. After you go and create your account at vinniestradingcheatcode.com, you will have access to the back office. Okay. So let me show you what that actually looks like. One second, guys. Okay, so this is the back office. Okay, once you get to the back office, For you to get access to the cheat code, okay? This area here is where you want to go to. When you click on any of these buttons, you're going to be taken to a payment page, okay? The cheat code right now is $300. Price will be increasing, okay? Once you make your payment of the $300, we will approve you once we receive payments. After we receive the payment, you will have access to the cheat code. You'll learn how to set it up. Also, you'll learn how to set up the HPS scanner, and there's also some training videos back here that's going to teach you how to use the cheat code, the settings, GSA strategy, and how to set alerts. Okay, so you'll have that all here within the back office. Okay, thank you so much, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.